In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code in Canva. By the end, you'll be able to drop a scannable code right onto any design and export it for sharing or printing, all from your browser. First, open Canva in your browser and either start fresh or pick up where you left off. If you're starting a new project, select Create a Design and choose any size that fits your use case, like a flyer, a social post, or a business card. If you already have a layout in mind, feel free to open an existing design so the code matches your current style and layout. On the left sidebar, look for the Apps section. This is where Canva keeps all its add-ons and integrations. Click Apps, then use the search bar at the top to type QR code. When the QR code app appears, click it to open the tool inside your workspace. You'll see a URL field. Paste the link you want your QR code to open when someone scans it. Make sure it's the final destination you want people to land on, like your website, a specific landing page, or a sign-up form. It helps to double-check that the link includes the full address with HTTP or HTTPS, and that it doesn't contain any sensitive tracking parameters you don't want to share. Once your link is in place, click Generate QR Code. Canva will instantly create the code and drop it onto your design. From here, you can treat it like any other element. Click and drag to move it into position and use the corner handles to resize it proportionally. Place it somewhere with good contrast and a bit of breathing room, so it's easy for a phone camera to read. Avoid placing it over busy patterns or very low contrast backgrounds. As a general guideline, keep a small margin around the code and don't stretch or distort it. When you're happy with the placement and size, it's time to export. Click Share in the top right, then choose Download. Pick the format that suits your needs. PNG is great for digital use, while PDF is ideal for high-quality prints and documents. If you're preparing something for print, a PDF will help preserve sharp edges. For digital graphics, PNG offers a nice balance of quality and file size. After selecting your format, click Download and let Canva prepare the file. That's it. You've created, placed, and exported a QR code entirely within Canva. Keep this workflow handy for posters, menus, event invites, packaging, or any design where a quick scan makes life easier.